said earlier in the previous video that the extension has to be demolished because it was built on a hill on the normal foundation. But what we found out is that it's been cracking and moving. We didn't build it actually, but we have to demolish the extension and build it now on a piled foundation. We had done video of a piled foundation, how you do screw piling and everything. You check our previous videos. We have video of different types of foundation on our YouTube channel. Now we have raised the foundation, done the block and beam. The scaffold guys just left. We did the scaffold for the guys to raise up the wall. If you look down there, we've done the brick. In the next few days, the wall will be fully there. We'll add the lintels and the beams and then start doing the roof.